Okay, let's start with the basics. What is a trial balance? Okay, a trial balance is a statement that shows the closing balances of all ledger accounts listed on the debit and credit columns. Trial balance prepared at the end of an accounting period to check its mathematical accuracy. Okay, of ledger accounts. Okay, the simple goal of trial balance is to ensure total debits amount equal to the total credits amount. Okay, let's see the format of a trial balance. See, uh, this side symbol number, okay, account name, particulars, okay, and debit, credit, okay. This amount which is written, it is the closing balance which is calculated in a ledger account. Lastly, by balance borrow down or to balance borrow down. Okay. Lastly, total the we have to total both sides of account, okay, debit side and credit side, okay, and this have to equal. Okay, let's understand the steps to prepare our trial balance. First step one, finalize the ledger accounts. Okay, uh, before before we prepare our trial balance, we have to balance all the ledger accounts. Okay, then step two, classify the balance account. It's a debit balance or a credit balance. We have to classify. Okay. See, debit debit balance will be like this: assets or expenses. Assets like cash, furniture, inventory. Okay. Expenses like rent, salary. Okay. Let's see the credit balance, which includes liabilities, income, capital. See, liabilities like creators, loans, incomes like sales, commissions. Okay, we'd see. Step three, uh, enter in the trial balance format. List the accounts on the correct column, debit side or a credit side. Okay. Lastly, step four, total both columns. Total match, good to go. If not, then sure there is error in the ledger accounts. Okay, or in trial balance. Thank you. Okay, let's see a practical example of trial balance. Suppose these are the closing balances from the ledger. Okay, see, here are the format of trial balance, and by using the golden rules of accounting, we have included all the accounts. Okay, and lastly, we have total the debit side and credit side, but we have identified some errors. Difference of 2000. Okay, here trial balance is not matching. Okay, that's why we use trial balance to ensure the arithmetical corrections. Okay. Okay, here is some common errors and tips. We see copying wrong balances from the ledger. Okay, posting an account in the wrong column. Okay, arithmetic errors in totaling. Okay, and lastly, forgetting to include some accounts which can make errors while calculating the debit side and credit side amount. Okay, we have to know the importance of trial balance because it ensures the ledger arithmetically correct. Okay, it helps to prepare final accounts, trading, PL, balance sheet. Okay, it highlights the errors before final reporting. Okay, and that's how you prepare a trial balance step by step. If your trial balance matches, you are on the right track. But remember, some errors won't affect the totals, like omissions or compensating errors. In our next video, we'll learn how to prepare the trading and profit and loss account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment with any doubts, a request. Thanks for watching and keep learning with us on paper coaching.